Welcome back, sports fans. Today, we're diving into the spectacular basketball showdown between the USA and Canada that unfolded in 2024. Strap in as we recap this roller coaster of dunks, drama, and basketball brilliance. Picture this, a court where eagles and maple leaves collide. The USA, renowned for its basketball legacy, faces off against Canada, a rising titan in the sport. The anticipation was sky-high, with fans on both sides stirring up a friendly yet intense rivalry on social media. Both teams hit the court with something to prove. The Americans, loaded with NBA stars, and the Canadians, who've been quietly amassing their own NBA-caliber talent, were both hungry for a win. The stage was set for a memorable clash. From the get-go, it was clear this game was more than just a match, it was a spectacle. The USA team made an immediate impact with a thunderous dunk, igniting the crowd. Not to be outdone, Canada hit back with lethal three-point precision, their sharpshooter treating the hoop as if it were as inviting as Niagara Falls. The score was tight throughout the first half. Each basket was promptly answered by the opposing team in a thrilling exchange of skill. A standout moment came when a Canadian prodigy intercepted the ball and charged towards the net, only to be met by an American veteran at the rim, a clash for the ages. While the team strategized off-court, fans enjoyed a halftime extravaganza featuring quirky performances, a harmonica playing moose, and a moonwalking eagle, no less. Statistically, the game was evenly matched. The Americans dominated inside the paint with their towering center, while Canada kept pace with a 50% success rate from three-point land. The game was anyone's to win as the second half loomed. The latter half of the game was a saga of resilience and skill. Tensions were high, and the atmosphere was electric. The game saw numerous lead changes, keeping everyone glued to the action. In the final 5 minutes, Canada's point guard emerged as a key playmaker, slicing through the American defense with surprising ease. However, the USA was not ready to concede. Their captain responded with a daring three-pointer that nearly crossed borders for how bold it was. The climax of the game was pure basketball poetry. Tied score, fans on their feet, and players giving their all. The USA looked poised to take the lead with a long-range shot that bounced agonizingly off the rim. Canada rebounded, quickly transitioned to offense, and with mere seconds remaining, their rookie sunk a buzzer beater that clinched a thrilling victory. As the dust settled and players exchanged congratulations, the highlights reel played back the most jaw-dropping moments. The block that was a defensive masterpiece, the strategic plays, and the rookie's game-winning shot, all captured in glorious slow motion. The 2024 USA vs. Canada Showdown was a basketball spectacle that lived up to all the hype, featuring riveting gameplay, strategic depth, and moments of pure joy. It's a game that will be remembered and celebrated in basketball lore. Thanks for tuning into this breakdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on our latest sports content. Until next time, keep enjoying the thrill of the game.